Hi there, Neil from Richter, and welcome to another video. As you can see behind me, we've got a very special T6.1 in the workshop today. This has just been completed, so in terms of the build, it's one of our most extreme builds, lots and lots of options, as you'd expect. As you can see, initially we've got a slight use of it's a Porsche acid green contrast, just on a couple of tiny bits to put some accents in. So I've probably said it a number of times before, they're my favourite vans and things, but genuinely I think the colour combination on this is absolutely spot on. So let's take a look around the van in some more detail with you. So as we move to the front of the vehicle, the first thing we'll see is the full ABT kit, so ABT front grille, ABT lower valance. We've actually picked out the fog light trims in gloss black this time, so sometimes we do that in a pure grey, people like more grey on the front. With this particular van, we've gone for a full gloss black. The other part of this is the full gloss black grille pack, so upper and lower grilles in gloss black. We've also then picked up the streamers in the pure grey. Again, this is optional, you can pick various colour combinations on the front of these vans. This is the first time we see the detail of the Porsche acid green, so just the ABT badge on the front. A few little details have been picked out just to really make this van stand out, and I think it works really well. So as we've seen that, we'll now move around to the side of the vehicle and show you what we've done there. Now we move to the side of the vehicle. Again, the acid green is apparent, so we've got some Vossen HF3 wheels. These are in a custom matte black finish, which I think really looks great. Again, staggered fitment, which is really important on these vehicles. We've got the acid green ABT logo on the wing repeater as well, just to bring that colour through. The wing mirrors are fully gloss blacked as well, to complete the look of the glossy mirrors. Along the side as well, we've got the ABT side skirts, again in pure grey, with a gloss black contrast this time to bring the grey and black theme in perfectly. The other things you'll notice from the side, we've wrapped the B-pillar trim, and we've also added a rear fake window, I guess you'd call it. We've done this on some previous vans, so it's not a true window, it's just a glass panel to give the look of a caravel. Also on the side, you can just about see the roof, so the roof antenna has been painted black, and the entire roof has been wrapped in gloss black as well to finish off that look. We're now going to move to the back of the vehicle. So we're now at the back of the vehicle. The first thing you notice is the ABT kit. So we've got the ABT upper wing in black with a pure grey contrast, and we've got the ABT lower diffuser, or the lower rear skirt basically. Again, T6.1 version with the quad exhausts. The other thing we've got around the back of the vehicle is the exhaust sound enhancer, so the ABT sound enhancer, which you've seen in previous videos. We may be able to get a clip on that. You get the exhaust sound through the ABT. The big controversial point on the back of this vehicle, the Marmite point if you like, is this rear panel here. Customers specifically asked to get it wrapped in black on the pure grey, and it's really dividing people. You know, a number of people have seen the photos earlier when we released them, and it really is 50-50. People love it, or people, to be quite frank, really hate it. So yeah, customers, obviously it's customers' preference, and yeah, we respect that, but you just really love to see what you think in the comments. Do we like it? Do we hate it? Should we do it to some of our demo vans? If you let us know in the comments, that would be great. The other thing, just to finish the rear, is more acid green, so very subtle. We've got the ABT badge in the acid green, and of course the 4Motion badge, showing that it's a full specification vehicle. So let's take a look at what we've done on the inside now. So as we move to the interior of the vehicle, it's a lovely place to be. First thing you'll notice, an upgrade on the dashboard. So we've got the virtual dashboard, or virtual cockpit, from VW fitted in there. We actually touched on that in a previous video, so we'll put a link above if you're interested in a retrofit of a virtual cockpit. Also the piano black trims around the radio to complement that. We then move to the interior, so we've got the full lining package, the LED roof lights, full carpet lining. In terms of the leather seats, we've gone for a leather and Alcantara. This particular one, we've gone for a real nice contrast. We've actually gone for the black contrast, so the ABT logo and the Hex 3 pattern is all done in black, which I think is really classy, and it just really finishes off the interior of the vehicle. The last thing we'll touch on is the audio package. So you've seen before in previous videos, we had our kind of ultimate sound package. In a black van we did an extreme sound package. This one we'll call almost Extreme Plus. So it's the same as the extreme package. It's got the 2 subwoofers, so it's a full Hertz system. We've also got the Hertz speakers in there, the rear pods as well, Hertz sound processor. We've got the big JL sub in the back, and also a smaller sub in the front of the vehicle, so 2 subwoofer setup. The door speakers are even higher grade, so it's a Hertz Melee sound system and speaker package, but it's the next model up, so even bigger crossovers and even better speakers. The other couple of things to touch on the audio upgrades, there's a couple of new products we've been working with the guys over at 4Car Audio. They've now been providing, it's a plastic speaker ring. It's also got like a rubber water protector on, so we fit those into the vehicles. It just protects the speakers from moisture. It's a really cool idea. We've also got some brand new speaker pods. So we used to use like a fiberglass pod. This is a sort of a much better fitting speaker pod, 3D printed plastic. It's all been pre-lined in the same carpet lining we used. We fit that up as well. So just a couple of nice new products we're using on this vehicle as we move forward, just to finish off. So in terms of audio, yeah, by far the best system we've fitted yet as of date, and just absolutely beautiful. I've mentioned again previously, but it's not just all about stupidly loud bass, even just nice, I guess normal music as you'd class it as, just driving along at sensible levels. You know, absolutely beautiful, crystal clear music. You know, you get the vocal right in the middle of the dashboard. So yeah, people that think it's all about just, you know, driving, that it's not that at all. Driving down the high street with huge bass, it's a very flexible system for a great deal of music, even from classical all the way through. It's absolutely perfect. So yeah, I'd love to know what you think in the comments, and we'll catch up in the next video.